Hello everyone! Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of Samsung's Galaxy AI. Today we're going to explore how this incredible technology is changing the way we use our smartphones. Get ready for an informative journey into the heart of Galaxy AI. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Samsung's Galaxy AI? Well, it's like having a super smart friend in your phone. This AI, or artificial intelligence, is designed to make your life easier and more fun. It's all about understanding you and adapting to your needs. Imagine having a personal assistant right in your pocket. That's what Galaxy AI is all about. With features like Bixby, it's like having someone who knows you really well. Ask it questions, tell it to set reminders, or even play your favorite songs. Galaxy AI is here to help. But what sets Galaxy AI apart is its ability to learn from you. It watches how you use your phone, learns your habits, and adjusts to fit your lifestyle. It's like a friend who always knows what you like. Wake up, and your phone is already set up with your favorite news and music. It's like magic! Now let's talk about pictures. We all love taking photos, right? Galaxy AI takes your photos to the next level. It can recognize what's in your photos and make them look even better. Whether it's a beautiful sunset or your favorite meal, Galaxy AI makes your pictures pop. For all you gamers out there, Galaxy AI has something special for you. It's like having a gaming buddy that knows all your moves. It predicts how you play and makes sure your games run super smooth. No more lag or waiting, just pure gaming fun. Now let's talk about how Galaxy AI brings everything together. It's not just about your phone, it's about creating a team of devices that work together seamlessly. Your TV, your smart home, they all become part of the Galaxy AI family, making your life more connected and convenient. Looking ahead, Samsung's Galaxy AI is only getting started. Imagine a world where your phone not only understands you, but also anticipates your needs before you even think about them. The future is bright, and Galaxy AI is leading the way. And there you have it, our deep dive into the amazing world of Samsung's Galaxy AI. It's more than just a phone. It's a companion that learns, adapts, and makes your life better. If you're looking for a smartphone that goes beyond the ordinary, Galaxy AI is the way to go. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay curious and tech savvy.